Hey, Miss Voltage here. Thanks for visiting the Pure Power channel. Woohoo! All right, today I want to talk about best personal development books out there. And I have one that you might not know about. Of course, there's a lot of typical ones out there like How to Win Friends and Influence People, The 7 Habits of Highly Successful People. This one is Treasure Uncovering Patterns and Principles That Create Prosperity by Edwin Louis Cole. So patterns and principles that create prosperity. We want past prosperity. That's why you're here, right? Okay, so there are 5 key principles that I found, 5 key personal development points in this book that I wanted to quickly talk about. First of all, principles are basic truths, fundamental laws of the universe, facts of nature, and primary units of life. Like the law of gravity. Okay, that's a principle of life. And then the second aspect of this is patterns. Patterns are ways in which the universe operates. Seed time and harvest is a pattern. Now, this is a setup for the whole book, right? You become successful and prosper when you base your life on principles and find the patterns that work for you. Everything is going to work differently for everybody because they all have their own dreams, visions, and goals. But if you have patterns and if you have habits that are not giving you what you want, then you want to change the way you think. You want to change your habits and patterns of life. So what this book does is it goes further into that. 3 of the main things that it talks about are making the choice to educate yourself. So important, and that's one of the reasons why you're here. You're searching the internet for the best personal development books so that you can change your life. The next principle, the number 4, is allow yourself to dream. And I think because you are out there on the internet searching for the best personal development tools, you know that you need to allow yourself to dream. You've got dreams, and somebody probably has been telling you that you're ridiculous or that's never going to happen, or you're sitting there going, God, something has got to change. So if that's what you're doing, one of the things you deserve to do is allow yourself to dream. And the 5th key personal development point in this book is a simple money mindset shift. Okay, so this book is an honorable, godly book. It's not overdoing it as far as, scriptures or religious principles or anything like that, but they're very simple truths, seed time and harvest kinds of things, choices. And so that's why this book has been so instrumental in my life. Now, if you want personal development tools to use, but you don't yet have a system for actually taking the action, that's the next step. Because it's one thing to get personal development tools and read these books, but you can become a personal development book junkie. And if that's all it ever goes to, you're never going to get what you want, which is more prosperity in your life, correct? Okay, so if you don't yet have a system for earning money and you would like to have more prosperity in your life, I might have a solution for you. I have a link down below, just right down there. Look in the description section of the YouTube video here, and you will find my link. Now, I do have a system that I'm following, and it is incredible, and I love it. It's not for everybody, but it might be for you. So go ahead and click that link, and you'll take you to a really cool website, and you'll fill out a form, and then you and I will have some communication. Okay, so I would really love to do that if this is going to be right for you. Thank you very much for listening. I want to keep these things short. If you like my channel, which I am just beginning, then go ahead and click subscribe. And I would appreciate that as I build my YouTube video library. All right, that's all for now. Have a great day.